Again, my name is Dagna Van Der Jagt, and I am running for district attorney. Chaffee is one out of the 4 counties that belong to the 11th judicial district, which includes Park County, that's where I live in Fairplay, Chaffee, Fremont, and Custer County. We are geographically a quite large district. I am new to this county, to the whole district actually. Most of my life I spent in Arapahoe County. I served for a Republican DA in one of the largest judicial district offices, which is the 18th Judicial District. I served as a deputy district attorney. I have experience prosecuting county court, district court, of course felonies, misdemeanors. I have appeals background, felony intake, review, and filing experience. I also have experience as a small business owner. I started my own law firm, and I'm reporting it's going very well. We have grown to 4 attorneys. We are in the Denver Tech Center. I am a business person. That's my background. I can do a lot with small startup costs. I'm financially conservative. I am a self-starter and a go-getter. As defense counsel, I know how defense attorneys, as we so call it, yank the prosecutor's chain. Our office needs improvement, and that's why I'm challenging the incumbent this year. The first thing that comes to mind when I look up the 11th Judicial District Attorney's Office, and I have that webpage printout with me, ladies and gentlemen, because it's unbelievable. Since 2008, and the incumbent came to office in January of 2009, there have been no updated, timely press releases. Now let that sink in for a second. I'm a Republican, and I believe the government works for the people. If I get elected, I pledge to you that you will know what I do with your money. You will know what priorities I have as your elected DA and which crimes are demanding my attention. That's how I will keep the community safe. And it's very concerning to me that an elected official basically gets away for 3.5 almost years without releasing timely press releases and only talking to the press. I also would like to improve the trial record in this office. The average prosecutor in this office tries 2 to 3 cases a year. As defense counsel, I beat that trial record. As a former prosecutor, I beat that trial record. I believe for this size of an office, the adequate caseload taken to trial should be around 7 to 10 cases. And I tell you why. Because you build a reputation. You build a reputation that you're tough on crime, that you know which crimes deserve your attention, and those are the crimes, those habitual repeat offenders, which will be put away with strong sentences so you can be a crime deterrent, not a crime encourager. And this is what I have concerns is happening in this office right now. For instance, there is a case, it's the Greenwell case, which was a person who was convicted of a homicide of a detective. He was a hitman who killed a detective. He served his time in Canyon City, one of those facilities. He got out on parole. While the current DA was in office, he committed another crime. He committed an assault. That case got remanded back from an appeals court. Initially, the jury found him guilty. The case got remanded back for trial. Ladies and gentlemen, that trial never happened again. The prosecutor's office failed to refile the case. For 6 months, they sat on their hands, and the time period lapsed. And you have a person walking free with a horrible record. That's not keeping our community safe. Cases like this you will find on my website, www.votefordagna.com. I have brought with me campaign materials, I've brought with me flyers and business cards. I'm looking forward to you checking out my website, calling me, and actually doing your due diligence to see what has been happening in your district. And I pledge to you that if you support me as the next district attorney, we will change that for the better. Thank you so much.